Welcome. If you've ever accidentally reposted something on X, formerly known as Twitter, or simply changed your mind about sharing a post, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly undo a repost on X using your PC, following the latest update. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to x.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu. Click on Profile to access your personal page. This is where all your posts, including reposts, are displayed in one convenient place. Now, scroll through your profile until you find the post you want to undo. You'll notice a green repost icon, 2 arrows forming a square underneath the post. This icon indicates that you've already reposted it. To remove the repost, simply click on this green icon. A small menu will pop up, giving you a couple of options. From here, select Undo Repost. Instantly, the repost will disappear from your timeline and your followers' feeds. If the change doesn't appear right away, just refresh your page to see the update. This process is quick, straightforward, and doesn't delete the original post, just your shared version of it. So whether you reposted by mistake or just want to tidy up your profile, these steps make it easy to manage your activity on X. To recap, open X in your browser, go to your profile from the left menu, find the post, click the Undo Repost icon, and confirm your choice. That's all it takes to keep your profile looking exactly how you want. Thanks for watching. For more tips on mastering X and keeping your social media presence sharp, stay tuned for future guides.